Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is a plus 2ab plus b. This is equal to 9. So what is the value of a plus b? Now let's provide a solution from here. So we have a plus 2ab plus b. This is equal to 9. So the first step is to multiply 2 on both sides so that we have 2 into the parentheses. This is a plus 2ab plus b, cross the parentheses. This is equal to 2 multiplied by 9. So this means we have 2 times a, which is 2a, plus 2 times 2ab, this is 4ab, then plus 2 times b, this is 2b, and this is equal to 9 times 2, which is 18. The next step is that we have that from this particular part a, that we can factor out 2a. So we have 2a into the parentheses. This is the same thing as 1 plus, now here we have 4ab divided by 2a, so this becomes 2b, close the parentheses, then plus, here we have 2b, and this is equal to 18. Now in order to factor 1 plus 2b, also here we need to add 1, and if we had 1 here, we need also to add 1 on the right hand side. So this means we have 2a into the parentheses. This is 1 plus 2b, close the parentheses, then plus, now 1 is common here, we can factor out 1, so that now here we have 1 plus 2b. This is equal to 18 plus 1, which is 19. So now we have that 1 plus 2b is common here, so we can factor out 1 plus 2b, close the parentheses, then we have 2a plus 1. So we have 2a plus 1. This is equal to 19. The next step is to determine the prime factors of 19. Prime factors of 19, we have 19 multiplied by 1. This is equal to 19. And we have minus 19 multiplied by minus 1. This is equal to 19. So we have case 1 here, and this is case 2. So this implies that we have 1 plus 2b multiplied by 2a plus 1. This is equal to 19 multiplied by 1. So in case 1, this is case 1. That is 1 plus 2b. This is equal to 19. And we have that 2a plus 1. This is equal to 1. And what this implies is that we have that we can take 1 on the right hand side, so that we have 2b. This is equal to 19 subtract 1. So this means we have 2b. This is equal to 19 minus 1, which is 18. So let's divide both sides by 2. And this implies that b is equal to 18 divided by 2. And this is equal to 9. So we have the value of b as 9. Now here we have 2a. This is equal to, let's take plus 1 on the right hand side. So this is 1 minus 1. And what we have here is that 2a, this is equal to 1 minus 1, which is 0. So divide both sides by 2. And this implies that a is equal to 0. Therefore, we have that a plus b. This is the same thing as 0 plus 9. And this is equal to 9. So this is the solution in case 1. Let's proceed to case 2. In case 2 here, we have 1 plus 2b multiplying by 2a plus 1. This is equal to minus 19 multiplying by minus 1. And what this means is that 1 plus 2b, this is equal to minus 19. And we have that 2a plus 1, this is equal to minus 1. So from here, let's take 1 on the right hand side so that we have 2b, this is equal to minus 19, subtract 1. So that we have 2b, this is equal to minus 19 minus 1, this is minus 20, so that we divide both signs by 2. And what we have here is that b is equal to minus 20 divided by 2, and this is equal to minus 10. Now, if we check on this side here, we have 2a plus 1. Let's take plus 1 on the right hand side. So this is 2a, this is equal to minus 1, and this means that 2a, this is equal to minus 2. So let's divide both signs by 2. And what we have here is that a is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. So this means that a plus b, this is equal to minus 10 plus minus 1. And this is equal to minus 10, plus times minus 1, this is minus 1. And this is equal to minus 11. Now, we have the second part here, a plus b, this is equal to minus 11. So, we have that a plus b, this is equal to minus 11. And again, we have that a plus b, this is equal to 9. So these are the solutions to this algebra problem. These are the solution to this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and kindly subscribe. If you have alternative solution method, kindly don't hesitate to showcase in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.